What is going on, everybody? Jonathan Farrell with the Two Mortgage Guys
Yo.
in Temecula, California. No longer Marietta, California.
Nope. Moving on down south.
Moving on. Yeah, we're getting further south.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, we went from Wildemar, Marietta, down
we
to Temecula way.
Now all of a sudden we're going to be like in Escondido, and then eventually go to San Diego.
No, we'll stay in Ribco.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. This is like the furthest down south that we're going to get.
That's one reason I like this job. I don't have to commute.
Exactly. House is right there.
Yeah, exactly. Right.
So,
yeah.
Super Bowl Sunday's coming up.
Yeah.
Who you got?
I got the Niners.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I think they're going to be able to pull it off.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if they keep handing the ball
if they can run it like they did.
6 for 8.
Yeah. But what do I know? That's why I'm sitting here and they're playing the game. But you know some funny stats. Actually, I was looking them up. It's kind of funny. They estimate on Super Bowl Sunday 1.3 billion hot wings are going to be eaten. Yep. 2 million pizzas. $58.4 million of avocados. I'll have 1 million of those myself.
Probably.
Yeah, it's
Mr.
crazy.
Avocado here.
Yeah. Free shavacado, man. Let's go.
Free shavacado. Free shavacado.
Yeah, 88 million pounds of cheese.
I would not want to be a chicken
coming up for Super Bowl Sunday. Right? Yeah, so that was just some funny. I like some of those stats. They say like Pepto-Bismol sales on Monday go up 50%.
I can imagine.
So yeah,
Pepto-Bismol needs to have a Super Bowl commercial.
The commercial just says, "You're welcome."
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
All right, so back to
you know what, Pepto-Bismol? We're giving you free stuff right now. Like, you should be thanking us. I will expect my royalty check after.
He'll probably be buying it.
I will be buying. No, I don't know.
I'm just kidding. But
market's been going pretty well right now. We're
Yeah.
seeing a lot of people that have been buying inventories.
Yeah,
keep talking about Pepto-Bismol.
No, it's awesome. We see a lot of green arrows in the market, so that means rates are going down, which is awesome. So what we've been doing, we've been floating a lot of our loans a little later on the locks, and it's been coming up beneficial. But
yeah, absolutely. And talking about refis right now, like, you know, we have a couple people that are looking at refinancing, and now is definitely a good time to do so, especially if you have an FHA loan, want to convert it to a conventional loan. Mm-hmm. Like, let's take off the PMI, get you a lower rate. A lot of people that we locked in last year were in the mid 4s. Now we're getting them into the mid 3s, basically.
Yeah. Well, I mean, beginning of last year, how much higher were the rates?
Exactly.
You know? Yeah.
You know, we were approaching 5%. We're like, all right, new normal is going to be 5%. Now we're like, nope, new normal's 3.5%. So anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, if you are in the market looking to refinance, we ask that you give us a call. We want to be helping you. Also, you know, the education process, working on educating people. You know, it's not just, we're not just in it to just slap you into your standard loan procedure. We want to make sure that we can get something that's going to be beneficial for you. So
yeah, it's true. Yeah. Also, self-employed borrowers, we know you're getting ready to file taxes right now and stuff. So there's a lot that can go into that. We're not CPAs, so we're not saying that part. But as far as maybe consultations, we do a lot of those to see what it takes, or like the income, or kind of what plan of action it takes maybe the next couple of months if you are looking to buy.
Yeah, basically, what we can do is we can help you start getting your clients prepared to purchase a home in 2020. We got the 2020 vision. We're going to make it happen this year.
Exactly. Look, yeah, a lot of big things coming. So I know we got some new people on board in the recent months, and things have changed. We got the new office. I mean, we're prepared for a big move, and we're already making those moves. So it's really cool. And what that means, it's just a lot better service for you, the borrower, a lot better way to service the agents, any of our other referral partners. And, you know, I know you're getting out there in the community more and things like that too. So it's, big things. It's awesome, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other thing too, you know, we talk a lot about this in more recent podcasts, but down payment assistance programs.
Yes.
If you are looking to buy, take advantage and start looking into these down payment assistance programs. A lot of lenders are not offering them, and we talked about it in a previous episode where, you know, the lenders don't get paid as much on these types of loans. However, we love doing these because we can take somebody that's potentially not going to buy a home and get them into a home for little to no money out of their pocket. So the one that we're floating around right now is the Open Door program. That one's really big.
Yeah, through the Golden State Finance Agency. That we've had so much success with that in the recent months. It's awesome. Yeah, and the other thing, I think, I don't know if you touched on it just now or not, but the agents, some agents aren't privy on how to work those, or the way to ask for closing cost credits or things like that. So we have some agents that we partner with that know how we work, and they know how to help out with that as well.
Absolutely.
So if you pair up with a good duo like that, like us and a couple other agents, that can really make it beneficial for you.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's the biggest thing for us. This is the year of getting people into homes. I know that we're coming up on, a lot of uncertainty with election year and everything else. Yeah. But if you are planning on buying a home, now is definitely the time to do so. Don't wait until summertime, because that's when everybody comes out of the woodwork, and all of a sudden we start getting up in these bidding wars, right? So now is definitely the time to do so. There's a lot of houses where they're moving quickly right now. Houses go up on the market, get 13 offers within. It's definitely, it feels more like summertime to us right now, and it's just the beginning stages of the year. Typically, this time of the year is vice versa. It's a little bit slower. Not a lot of buyers, but there are still a lot of listings. So definitely get in the game. Call us today. Let's find out what we can do to get you into a home. And 2020 is going to be the year of home ownership.
Yeah.
Start the new decade off right in your new home.
Yeah, exactly.
So
yeah, well said.
That's the way we do it here.
It's so smooth with that delivery,
Right?
You know what I'm saying? So that's
it's like
awesome.
I've been doing podcasts all day. No, I'm just
kidding. Yeah, exactly. You're very polished in season 2.
Right? Season 2, a little bit more polished. No,
yeah, exactly. Yeah, but
a lot better editing.
Yeah, we got a good video guy. I know a guy. Guy. But yeah, other than that though, no, seriously though, like we're not just saying that. You got to get off the fence now. Mm-hmm. And that makes it better if you do utilize these down payment assistance programs like the GSFA. Half of it is a gift, so you don't have to pay it back.
Exactly.
That's so if you have $10,000 in assistance, $5,000 you're not paying back. That's awesome. There's some other ones where there is a second loan, but that's after. I think that's forgivable after a couple years, or is that a different program? I think
a
different program. Okay, there's so many different programs. That's why let's see which one's the best one for you. But that's why he's the branch manager. Right. He knows all. But yeah, it's a great buy, and especially if you're getting your tax return back, then you get to keep it. You don't have to worry about putting that into a home, so you can just stuff that right in the bank, pay off some debt, whatever you need to do, so you can really get 2020 off and do a good start.
Right. We do a lot of mortgage planning in our office, and I think that's kind of what sets us apart, rather than just going to some bank and then they say, "Oh yeah, you qualify," but you really don't. Like for us, we really try getting people prepped and ready to go, whether that's with credit. We do what if simulators when we pull credit. We work with one of the best credit repair teams in the entire country. If we can't do it,
they're awesome.
And so I'm hoping that they will be here for one of our future episodes. I've already got Tiffany a date set, so we're going to get her on here.
There you go.
But I mean, the biggest thing is we just want to make sure that we can help plan out your home purchase in the next, even if it takes a couple months, a couple days, even a year. We want to make sure that we get you to that point where we are ready to go.
Yeah.
So that's just the one thing we're gonna keep on keeping on and get some more people into
even
homes.
If you don't think, like you said, you don't think you buy. We have actually had some people last year where they didn't think they could buy at all. We get them together and they're like, we were going to rent for another few months. And they're like, oh, wait, we can actually buy something right now?
Yep.
And then they went and did it. So they got themselves out of the rental game, got themselves some equity. Just like a business, it's always better to own a business than,
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
Well, that's it for us this episode. Appreciate you guys tuning in.
Short and sweet.
That's how we like to keep it. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, we're going to flash our number on the screen and make it happen. We're looking forward to getting you into a home.
Hi, Mom.